Some of you that have been following the channel for a while kind of know the story behind Scarlett, my 57 Plymouth Savoy. Going to get in the car in Indiana with my dad and my son, having to sell the car, being surprised with the car getting bought back right when my dad had cancer, and then I was able to surprise him with it. And now the car is once again mine, completely paid off. We're just getting it back. We're going to surprise the boys with it again, and she's going home and going to be starting some minor restoration stuff on, doing some upgrades to the car here shortly.